Hey guys, it's Elise and I hope you guys are all doing well. So as you guys can tell from the title and the thumbnail, this is actually not my real hair. But hear me out. It's pretty close if I must say so myself. If you're natural and you blow out your hair can definitely blend in with this wig, and that was the main reason why I decided to give it a shot. I was super excited, super duper excited. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So this wig does come from a company called WigsGal. I will have all the information and their links provided in the info section below, but they reached out to me and they wanted me to try their kinky straight U-part wig, and I was like, sure, why not? U-part wigs takes me way back in the day, so it's been several years since I've lastly had one, and I was excited to give it a shot. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the wig that I have is a kinky straight U-part wig, and on the website it's called Alexa, and my wig is 22 inches long and 150% density. And girl, when I tell you that this hair is so thick, oh my god, if you guys are afraid of thick hair, then I would highly suggest that you guys take advantage of their lighter density options. But if you're confident and the thicker the better, you can definitely check out the wig that I have, and they also offer higher density wigs, so do keep that in mind. Once again, my wig is 22 inches long and it's in the natural black color. The cap construction is their U-part cap, and I have mine in the average size cap. Now, right now, I'm just going in and shampooing and conditioning the hair. You guys can never be too careful, especially with all that's going on in the world. I'm going to continue to do that, and I'm going to allow the hair to dry, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. So this is actually a few days later and the hair is completely dry. This is what the hair is looking like. So here is those two little elastic straps. We're going to cut those out because you don't need it. But here's the inside of the wig. You do have 2 clips, 3 combs, and adjustable straps at the very back. So right now I'm just going in and I'm just cutting away that piece of elastic because once again, you do not need it. And once that's all cut out, you will see your U-shaped part, so you can just go ahead and install it now. But here is my hair, and I've had these braids in my hair, like I'm so embarrassed, but I had these braids in my hair for about a month now. So my hair has gone unwashed for such a long time. My hair is dry like the Sahara Desert, but we're gonna ignore that for now. But I'm just removing the 2 braids that's going around where I want my middle part to be, and I'm gonna also section off that front section just so that we can use that for our leave out. And then I'm gonna put the back section of my hair away and just put like a stocking cap over it, so it's just kind of out the way. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. The installation process for U-part wigs are super easy. I'm just going to use the outer two braids that's around my leave out to anchor the clips onto, and I also did use all 3 combs just to make sure that the wig is secured down, it's not going anywhere. And yes, you guys, this hair is so thick, it's so thick. We're not going to worry about that right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend in my natural hair with the wig, and I was a little worried that my hair might be a little too dark because I do have a rinse on my hair, but as you guys can see, my hair blended in nicely and flawlessly up until this point. Now this is where things are starting to go wrong. What I should have done is utilize a humidity blocker spray, because I don't know if there is some sort of moisture in my room, in the air or something like that. I did take a shower before filming this video, but my hair is slowly but surely beginning to revert back, and no matter how many times I comb through it, I brush through it, my hair just wanted to curl up and separate from the kinky straight wig. So if I can suggest something to you guys, do use a humidity blocker, especially if you guys are going outside with this wig on. It'll save you so much time and embarrassment. I didn't use one because I didn't think about it, but my hair begins to revert back. But get into this texture. This texture is so believable, super believable. It's so pretty. I wish it worked out for me, but I know me, I know my hair, so I have to put some heat on it, and I really didn't want to, but I have to. So we're gonna go in and flat iron this wig, and I'm gonna also flat iron my hair. We're gonna get like a nice textured silk press, if you will. So I'm going in with the serum. You guys, do not skip out on this step. Definitely use a serum. I'm using one from Generic. I think I got it from Sally's, but I'm putting a decent amount of that on the hair, and I'm also going in with my Paul Mitchell's Off the Press, I think it's called Off the Press, heat protecting spray, and there is a humidity blocker in the spray as well. I wish I would have thought to grab it beforehand, but it's a little too late. So now I'm just going to go in and flat iron this hair straight. Once again, this wig is so thick. It took me 2 hours to flat iron this hair, but it was well worth it. This hair really does take heat so nicely. I was super impressed. I just did 2 passes per section, and this hair got so silky. It can hold a curl, you guys. I was super impressed with this hair, the quality, everything from it. I loved it. I love this hair so much. It's so, look at that. Look at that, girl. It's so, oh my gosh. But now I'm just using that Paul Mitchell Off the Press heat protecting spray, and once again, it does have a humidity blocker, and I'm just going to do some light passes on my hair. I didn't want to put too much heat on my hair because I've been putting a lot of heat so far this year. I have my flat iron set to 390, and I'm just doing a few passes just to get it as straight as I can, and then I'm going to go in and lay my edges. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So we're gonna go ahead and give this one last try. So I'm gonna go in and just install the wig the same way I did on the previous clip, and my hair isn't as silky as the wig. I didn't want to put too much heat on my hair, but it works. It's giving me naturality, it's giving me textures, it's giving me, girl, this is my real hair. But yeah, I'm here for it. But I went ahead and I blended in my natural hair with the wig, and it's working for me. But you guys definitely check out WigsGal. Once again, I'll have all the information located in the info section below. If you guys are interested in this wig or anything else that they offer, do use discount code TwinGodesses to save 15% off of your purchases. I am going to revisit this wig again. I'm going to wash it out, regain some of that kinky straight texture, and I am going to use a humidity blocker on my hair this time around to see how it comes out, and I will let you guys know. But if you guys are feeling this wig, let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.